What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today is the 38th feeding, and I'm going to be adding a new inoculating tray to the bottom of the tower system. Let's see what's going on. Nice, there's still just a little bit of food left. Wow, and I'm noticing a lot more castings. It seemed like this was staying cardboard for a real long time. I guess with removing that other bin and getting more worms into this area. And you see there's still some nice tiny worms. I feel like they're really starting to plow through this bedding now. Oops. Try not to do that, Rick. Okay. So, today's going to be a special one for him. I still have a bunch of that juicer pulp, which I kind of forgot to pull out. So, it's still a little frozen. But I haven't given them a banana in a little while. There's some juice, so I'll just pour that on here too. The banana I basically cut in half, and then I did slice the peel, so hopefully that allows them to get to it fairly quick, and hopefully it'll draw them in for a nice worm ball for the next feeding. I'm going to add my ground up eggshell to help out the worms, help them to digest the food. They have a crop and a gizzard. We'll go ahead and cover this all up. And then I like giving them a little bit of extra food that's available a little quicker. So I give them some worm chow and just sprinkle that lightly right on the top. And then I go ahead and cover up that feeding area. Let me see. Yep, as I was moving it, there's a bunch of stuff falling. So I'm going to see if I can kind of brush it off real quick. Okay. See a couple worms. There's a worm right there. A couple worms on the side. Okay, so that's a good thing to see. This top layer doesn't seem as moist as it was the last time I checked in on it. Well, that's good to see. Okay. This here, you can see, is filled all the way up. I'm just pressing it down slightly because that's all freshly shredded cardboard. And then Okay, beautiful. Ooh. So this should be good to go for at least another week. Hopefully that banana helps to draw some worms into that feeding zone, and hopefully we can capture a nice little worm ball. I can't believe this is the 38th feeding already. This bin's been doing great. I've actually got 2 harvests off of it so far, and I don't foresee a harvest coming anytime soon, which I'm okay with. I'll have to kind of start getting my other bins back involved again. Well, if you guys have any questions, don't forget dropping down the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.